Diving into pumpkin, and you are carving a perfect circle around its cranium. And you pull out the brains. These are
y'all nasty.
Now, then you take the pumpkin and its brains, and you shave that little bit of brain off. Cause it's good to be.
Say doesn't. I thought we were supposed to be treating the pumpkin, not eating brains.
Put that brain out of there. Make it nice and pretty. There you go.
Oh my God! It's flatlining. It's flatlining.
Then you go in for the kill. Dig in.
Oh my God. Wait, get close enough. Ew.
It smells like rotten booty in here.
Rotten booty. You could sit it down somewhere, like right there, and get yourself getting
Yeah, just stick your fingers nasty.
Uh-oh.
This is nasty.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna get some of these organs. This is organ, okay? I'll show you how to do it.
Look at all this.
Tumors.
This is a pumpkin tumor.
This is what I like to eat for dinner.
Don't you do it. Look at all these tumors. We found approximately over 100 of these tumors.
You're stupid. What? You're silly. Oh God, it's disgusting.
Take my heart
I can't even get it all off. Get it all out. It's like it's more.
I forgot we may want to sterilize since we're in a live body. I'm not a licensed doctor.
The rubber gloves are
Where are they?
yeah, forget it. It doesn't matter anyway. This is a
homeless pumpkin.
I got a good piece.
You got one of those nasty brushes.
Look at that. The slimy and the
Stop smoking with a broken jaw.
And you dig in, and you pull out. And you dig in, then you pull out.
Look at all these techniques.
I told you we found over 100 of these.
Get the drugs out.
She's digging inside of his brain.
Oh yeah, you gotta scrape the side. The nails.
Oh, your nails.
Yeah.
Your nails?
You have to get in there like swimwear.
Now read the cuts.
We will cut in pride until we have finished our job as doctors.
Even though I'm not licensed and I have no further education than 9th grade.
The only thing that makes me sound intelligent is my English accent.
The Slavian customs.
Give me a handshake.
They bloody have.
Why not? Why not?
They have plenty of guts and little fragments of bodily bonbons.
Now here we got some stool. Oh, I know what stool is, it's excrement. If you don't know what excrement is, I'm smarter than you and I've only graduated 9th grade.
You said 8.
I said 9!
Yes, you have to scrape the sides because it's like more. I'm scraping it with my nails. I'm getting all in there.
They don't have to do
I'm digging on each side of the human brain. I want to get all of the guts and the pieces. And that's how I get it all out. And I scrape. And I scrape.
Now, if you don't have a stomach for this, well,
then you just won't have the stomach. Yeah. We gotta get all these things though. Everywhere.
Yeah, really close. I don't see you, right?
Okay. Mine is about clean. How about you guys?
Yes.
Yours look like that? No. Oh.
yeah, get there. And then we mix it with our hands. Throw it in.
It's good for the pores of skin.
Now, you and me,
We're gonna put this.
you can lick.
I'm gonna put this.
Maybe not, maybe not.
Let's do it.
If you don't know how to start for this, do not watch.
Don't do it for the pause. Don't do it. Don't do it.
I think it's good for the pause. That's disgusting.
I know it feels disgusting, didn't it?
You want someone your phone?
Close your mouth and just let me spread it all.
One,
2, 3.
Can't make any pumpkin pie with that.
You got snot bitch.
Well, don't you look like
Oh, she looks like it. She's looking like. What does she look like? Oh, yeah.
now that you just created it.
As a traveller, I have to experience new things. This for one. This works wonders
Hold them up for this one.
for the pause. Are you ready? Just like Lay's applesauce.
Y'all can wake up with clear skin. They go like, what y'all use? Pumpkin seeds and gut? We told y'all not to use that. That's all Fred is putting.
My face gonna burn off.
Huh?
My face gonna burn off. Now look, this is the heart. I think because it's shaped like a heart that you draw in the pictures. These are small
We're
tumors.
gonna have to make a part 2 after this because you can only have 2 parts.
It was going to die.
Okay. Now to make a part 2 after it's done.
Yeah, part 2 is coming. Alright, you can stop and make a part 2.
Okay. Yeah, right here.
I had pumpkin on my face. Goodbye, viewers, and thank you for watching.